Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is going to be about this supplement that I've really been enjoying taking. This was part of one of my stocking stuffers that I received for Christmas 2024. And I've been taking these gummies now almost a month. And I just want to share with you guys what that is. So today's video is about the Nature Bounty Elderberry Gummies. Right into it. 40 comes in this particular container. One of the main benefits of elderberry is for immune support. I know a lot of us typically around fall and winter prefer to take a lot of vitamin C for immune support. But elderberry is said to be one of the top tier to choose for immune support. There are also some other good benefits about elderberry, you guys. It is a dietary supplement that claims to provide various health benefits. So another good health benefit would be that it is considered to be an anti-inflammatory. So it is said to have anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate pain, reduce swelling, and also improve joint health. It also says that it is an antioxidant, which is great. It says that it may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which is also another plus. It is also said that elderberry can help reduce blood sugar levels by improving cognitive function and reducing stress. Now, I've been taking these a good 30 days. Yeah, I want to say about 30 days. And I have to say, as far as it kind of protecting me or keeping my immune system up from flu season, I really want to say that this has been really good for me. It's usually dark in color like these, almost like a dark purplish type of color. This is a gummy per the instructions for this particular brand. It does say take 2. I have not taken my 2 today, so I'm taking it now. I love the flavor. Tastes absolutely amazing. You are to fully chew it before you swallow it. Initially going in, it tastes delicious. It does have a slight aftertaste that I'm not too fun about, but it doesn't linger. So I can't complain. I usually try to include this with my vitamin intake daily. Y'all, let's just talk about this particular brand specifically. I love how they have the expiration date listed right here along the side. So this is good until July 2025. I absolutely love the top because a child can't just go in here and access this unless they know how to read. That gives them instructions with how to open the top of this container, which it does require that you push down to open. FYI. Also, when I received these, it was packaged really well. It had a covering here, so I knew that it had not been tampered with. But of course, like I said, I've been taking these now since I think January. I usually try to keep this in a cool place. So either in a pantry up high or a cabinet set up high, so that, you know, only adults can access this. I think I did look this up online, and the going price is roughly $9. This can be found in your local store, and I think even in the local grocery stores it may run about $9. FYI, keep in mind your geographic location. Price point could possibly be different. So yeah, I really like these. So I'm hoping that this is something that I would purchase on my own. However, I would be open to receiving more of these again in a stocking stuffer because I think it was really beneficial for me. And it just came just in time since we are in that cold flu season. So, you know, I like it. I can't complain. So that concludes today's video. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.